guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So I'm just going over to one of my friend's little sister's softball games tonight, so I'm going to be doing some makeup before I head out to go over there. So we're just going to be doing a little get ready with me, do some makeup. So let's go ahead and get into it. I'm going to start off with this Pineapple Haze. It's the CBD Glossy Lip Butter from Truly. Got it at Marshall's, and I always love putting on a lip product before I get into doing my makeup, so I'm gonna put this on. It smells so good, and it's like a, I don't know, it's that really cool consistency that's like whipped cream. I love it. My niacinamide Power Grip for today as my primer. I haven't used it in a minute. I'm gonna take my CoverGirl Clean Liquid Foundation. This is like such the OG foundation. I think this is the first foundation like I ever used. The smell is atrocious, but it actually doesn't look too bad on the skin. I picked it up not too long ago because I was like, I forgot about this, and it was nostalgic, and I was like, I want to try it again. So that's what we're doing. I'm gonna mix it with like one dot. I just put it on my hand and then mix it with the foundation of my e.l.f. Halo Glow. We are going to use my ColourPop Pretty Fresh concealer. I need to get it. It's in the shade Light 50W, but it's like so, like, that's not super light. I know it might look light on camera, but in person it's like super yellow. But I like the consistency and how like creamy this concealer is, so we're using that today. Time to set this face. I'm going to be using my Advanced Radiance from CoverGirl. I use this little puff for under my eyes. It just seems to set it the best. Airspun to apply all over my face. For my bronzer, I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. Primer Infused Bronzer Perpetually. That's what it says. Perpetually Tan, and this is the color. I'm just gonna use that as my bronzer. Sorry if you hear Darby's little nails tip tapping in the background. She's walking around my floor. This Rare Beauty blush today in Virtue. It's like a orangey neutral color. It's like one of my faves. So gonna blend that in. You can blend these over powders, which I literally love. Like, these are my favorite blushes. Today for highlight, I want to use my Essence Pure Nude Highlighter. It's like a more natural, soft highlight, little glow from within. So that's what we're going to use today. I have setting spray, Milani Make It Last. It's the e.l.f. like eyebrow pomade or like liner. I forget what it's exactly called. Smudge. I always say it's a smudge pot, but I don't think that's what it's called. I think that was their liquid or like cream shadows they had, but it just comes in this little pot, and I'm just gonna use that to like fill basically the tails of my brows in. So I'm gonna do that real fast. Taking my LA Colors bronzer and a big fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna put that in the crease. So I'm just gonna pop this in the crease, and then I'm gonna use a ColourPop shadow over top. I don't think I'm gonna put on lashes today either because I'll probably have sunglasses on. And I don't know, sometimes my lashes will touch my sunglasses and it's annoying. So I don't think we're gonna do that today. I'm gonna be using ColourPop Ritz, which is supposed to be a dupe for the Space Cowboy shade. And mine is like almost dried out, so I hope it still looks decent on. It looks like it's working. Essence Extreme Lasting Eye Pencil in Silky Nude in my waterline. I'm going to use my Rare Beauty highlighter in my waterline. Oh, I love this highlight. It's so pretty. So I put that in my inner corner. I heard to keep your lashes curled, you need a waterproof mascara, and we're gonna try this breakup proof, waterproof mascara today. It's new, I haven't tried it, so if I could get it out of my packaging. Let's see, let me show you guys the brush. It feels like there's not much product in here at all, like super light. This formula, I can already tell, is not my jam. The brush is like, it feels like the mascara is already super dry on it and like nothing is coming off. Like it's taking so much for me to feel like I'm getting any product off of this brush. And it's brand new, like I literally just bought this. Right on the bottom. Yeah, this is a no. Sky High from Maybelline over this because it's not giving. Like it's dried out feeling. Together, I think that helped a little. But on the Rosy Nude 8-Hour Matte Essence Liner. Going in with the Tower 28. These are like my favorite glosses. This is the shade Coconut. These are just so beautiful. It's their lip jellies. Last mist of the setting spray. Okay guys, here is the finished makeup look. Kind of just a simple, you know, out and about little glam, but I don't know what I'm gonna do with my hair because I've had it up all day and it kind of just looks crazy, so I gotta decide what to do with this hair before I head out of the house. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this little easy get ready with me little summer kind of glowy look. But yeah, that's pretty much all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next one.